some numerical problems in light. Before some numerical problems, these are some formulae. First is mirror formula. This formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. What is V, U or F? Suppose this is a concave mirror, and it is its pole, focus, center of curvature. Any object is put here, then along the principal axis, the distance between pole and this, suppose object is AB, pole and P and A, this distance PA is called U, means object distance from pole, object distance from the pole. Pole of mirror. And V, now we draw ray diagram. This is image, position of image. So this is point A dash, B dash. The distance from pole to this A dash along principal axis is called image distance, V. This distance is called V. P A dash to V. That is our image distance from pole. F is focal length. F is focal length. Here it is PF, focal length. Next formula is magnification. That is equal to minus V by U, or that is equal to HI by HO. This form says that magnification, what is magnification? Magnification is ratio of height of image HI and height of object HO. And latter it is equal to minus V by U, minus image distance by object distance. We have seen that 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, mirror formula, magnification formula. These formula are for spherical mirrors. Now, one more important thing is sign convention. All the quantities V, U, F, HI, HO, M must be given in terms of their sign. First of all, what is sign convention? Is sign convention, in this sign convention, first important thing is that object is placed on left side of mirror. Always it is done, it is taken left side. Number 2, There are two type of distance mainly we have to consider. One distance is along principal axis. Suppose position of object, position of image, and another distance is along perpendicular to the principal axis, that is height of image, height of object. So, and sign convention tells that we consider pole of the mirror at the origin. It is origin. Consider pole at the origin. Now distances are measured according to in coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? In x-axis, right side distances from this pole. All distances on the x-axis means principal axis. Suppose it is principal axis. All the distances on the principal axis are measured from pole along this axis. From pole, if object is here, so coordinate geometry says that this distance will be negative. Means object distance u less than 0. We have to take sign of u negative. And for suppose it may be that image is formed in this side, then image distance v is greater than 0. All distances from pole left to the pole are taken negative, right to the pole are taken positive. And then along y-axis, as in coordinate geometry, the distances upward to the principal axis, upward, are taken positive, and downward to the principal axis are taken negative. Distances left to the pole are negative, and 4 negative and right positive. Similarly, distances above principal axis is positive, and below negative. An object 5 cm in size is placed at 20 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to get sharp image? Also calculate size and nature of the image. Give ray diagram also. रे डायग्राम इसे भी बनाना है. So at first we will see what quantities are given. First, object size HO is given. Generally, object is placed to the left of the mirror and object is put upside object is put generally. So HO will be plus 5 cm means positive. ये वैल्यू हम लोग ऊपर की तरफ मेजर करते हैं कोई वैल्यू, तो ये सपोज ये प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, इसके ऊपर की तरफ मेजर करेंगे, यहाँ मिरर है, तो इसका तात्पर्य इट मीन्स ये हुआ कि ऑब्जेक्ट का जो साइज है वो पॉजिटिव लेना है. Placed at 20 cm from a concave mirror, 20 cm means u is given, u equal to minus 20 cm. Object is put always left to the mirror and given focal length 15 cm. Concave mirror, we know that concave mirror has focal length negative. because for focal length, again I am repeating, parallel rays to the principal axis, incident rays after reflection pass through a fixed point of principal axis. This point is called focus. So for concave mirror, focus is always left to the pole. Focus is always left to the pole. Therefore, focal length will be negative, minus 15 centimeter. What quantities we have to find out? That is, at what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed to get sharp image. Here it is saying just for sharp image on the screen, only real images can be taken on the screen. That sharp image means exactly what is the position of the image. Also calculate size and nature of the image. Means to get sharp image, we have to find out the image distance from pole. Size and nature of the image. Size means HI. We have to find out HI. And if we have to find out the nature, then we will find the value of M. M, as the sign of M will give whether the image formed is real or virtual. Then now we start calculating. Mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. We have to find out the value of V, 1 by F minus 1 by U, putting the values of focal length and U, F minus 15 centimeter, U minus 20. Minus 1 by 15 minus 1 by minus 20. This minus will be positive. Now we take LCM. 60 minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1 by 60. So 1 by V equal to minus 1 by 60, that is V equal to minus 60 centimeter. Means image will be formed to the left of the mirror at a distance 60 centimeter from the pole. This image will form 60 centimeter from the pole. Then we have to find out the size of image, nature of image. The formula is M. M equal to minus V by U. That is minus, what is V here? So V, value of V is minus 60 and U minus 20, that is minus 3. The value of M says, the sign of the value of the M says that image formed will be real and inverted, and 3 will give that the size of the image is 3 times the size of the object. The size of the object can be find out as M equal to HI by HO. HI equal to M into HO. M is minus 3 and HO is given 5 centimeter. That is, image size will be minus 15 centimeter. Hence, nature of image, nature real and inverted. Real and inverted, also enlarged. So, we have find out the nature is real, inverted and enlarged. Size of image, size minus 15 centimeter. Now the gray diagram. Gray diagram is that this is concave mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. The focus is given 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. And C will be at 30 centimeter. Object is placed at 20 centimeter. Means in between C and F, object is placed. Gray diagram. This is image. This point is 60 centimeter, minus 60 centimeter. This point is from pole is taken as origin, and this point is 27 centimeter. Height is given 5 centimeter, and this minus 15 centimeter. This is radar. Okay. Now the ray diagram. Ray diagram is that this is concave mirror. Pole, focus, center of curvature. The focus is given 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter, and C will be at 30 centimeter. Object is placed at 20 centimeter, means in between C and F object is placed. Ray diagram. This is image. This point is 60 centimeter, minus 60 centimeter. This point is from pole is taken as origin, and this point is 27 centimeter. Height is given 5 centimeter, and this minus 15 centimeter. This is radar. Okay.